Morning all. Today I'm off for a spray tan. As you can see, that is horrendous. Oh my gosh, yeah. Patchy. So I've had a spray tan a couple of weeks ago. A lot of it's worn off because I do a lot of running. But yeah, gonna have a spray tan today. But what I also tend to do is I'm going to be using some new products. So when I get back this evening, so I'll go over the spray tan with this. I normally find that it evens it out, and then in the morning, after I've rinsed everything off, I'm going to use this to smooth everything out. So hopefully we'll get a nice even tan all over, and we'll see the results together. At the moment, I'm just in shock. Oh dear, got to get my nails done as well. So these nails need doing. As you can see, the infills are desperately in need. Yeah. So see you soon. Okay. As you may recall, I purchased these two products. So my spray tan was very patchy from last time, just due to wear and tear and a lot of running. So I've had a new spray tan done at the salon, but because I've already been out for a little jog after 4 hours of it being done, I really need to go over it again and just get a very even tan. So, before I go, almost forgot the gloves. Got the nails done as well. Make sure you use your gloves, or your hands will end up looking like they've been mixing muddy cement. Okay. I think this is going to be cold. It's going to be cold, yeah. Get the feet. I've not bothered putting any block on my knees, they seem to come out okay. It's only really, and my feet come out okay, it's only my hands that I put block on, because that ends up looking horrendous. Okay, so we'll just end it there. You can see what I've done, and I'll go over the rest of my body. Morning all. So I had to put the mousse over my spray tan yesterday, and I've got to say, absolutely impressed with the Dove product. It's really smoothed things out and hidden the patchwork from the previous spray tan quite well. But now I'm doing the Gradual tanning lotion. So this is part 3. So spray tan first, leave it on for overnight. Then just before you go to bed, put the mousse on, then rinse it all off in the morning, and then this in the morning. So on it goes. God, that's a bit chilly. It's a bit chilly first thing in the morning. So this is gonna, again, enhance the tan, smooth out any patches, and also moisturise. And I've got to say, at least my feet look good. That's taken out all the patchwork. I'm well pleased with this. The Dove product was a bit more expensive than the some of the own brands, but do you know what? I think I might be converted. It was definitely a good result. Right, I'll show the finished product me later on. There's a time when you've got to get undressed and it's all got to come off, but as you can see, the tanning products have worked brilliantly. Just gonna keep absolutely gorgeous. So just lose that heel. There you go. So the tan's pretty even all over, covered up the old tan quite well. Yeah, definitely would do it again. Hello everybody. Well, I'm back. Fully made up now, as you can see. Going slightly different with straight hair and lots of glitter. Absolutely loving the tan. Gotta say that the tanning product's been absolutely bloody brilliant. Really has. So yeah, definitely going to go with the Dove products again. Though my bath looks like yeah, somebody's died in it. So that needs a good scrub. So do some pictures in a bit. Hope you like. Lots of glitter again as usual, but yeah. See you soon.